Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your XMS or SiriusXM app. So all you have to do, so you just click on settings here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps. Then it's going to take you to next step. Just switching to open video like this here. So then here you're looking for SiriusXM app or just click on search. Then here at SiriusXM, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. You go down, click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.